Okay, so London Business School. Let me say this upfront because many students underestimate how serious this application is. LBS, in my opinion, is one of the most competitive MIM programs in the world right now. Acceptance rate hovers around 12%. So you are literally competing with the best applicants globally. Let me walk you through what they actually look for. First, let's talk about LBS whole philosophy because it matters for your application. Their vision, in their own words, is to have a profound impact on the way the world does business. That's not a marketing line, that shapes how they evaluate you. They want future leaders, people who can actually go out and shift industries, not just get a comfortable corporate job. So your application has to reflect that ambition. If your essays sound like you just want to get into consulting just because everybody else is, that might land you flat. Now, academics. Let me be honest, LBS is very academically rigorous. Their official guidance is a UK first or 2:1, which roughly translates to a strong GPA. In Indian terms, in my experience, you want to be at 8 plus on a 10-point scale. Yes, they evaluate holistically, but a weak GPA puts you in a very serious disadvantage. Not possible to overcome, but it has to be addressed in your application. Ideally, in their optional essay where they ask about your academic performance, use it if you need to. They give that space for that reason only. Now, here's the part where students mess up. Work experience. LBS MIM is for early career candidates. They expect a maximum of 2 years of professional experience by the time you start the program. And honestly, I get questions all the time. Sir, what if I quit my job and take a gap year to apply? That doesn't work because the way LBS calculates this is from your graduation day, not your last working day. So if you have graduated 3 years ago and you have been working for 2 years and took a year off, you are still 3 years out of the window. So the moment you cross that 2-year mark from graduation, in my opinion, you should start looking at MBA programs instead of MIM. But, and this is the beautiful thing about LBS, they are holistic in their admissions. And I really believe this. Even if your college brand isn't massive, even if you didn't go to IIT, SRCC, NIMS, if your application shows clear leadership, meaningful impact in whatever you have done, and a credible career story, LBS will give you a real shot. I have seen students from tier 2 Indian colleges get in. It happens. What they had in common was strong essays, evidence of impact in their internships or extracurriculars, and absolute clarity about their post-MIM goals. Leadership is honestly through line in every successful LBS application. Application wise, here is what you need: a strong undergraduate transcript, a GMAT or GRE score, which is mandatory at LBS, no test optional here, a 1-page CV, one strong reference from someone who knows your work, ideally a current or previous employer, or an academic if you don't have work experience yet, and the essays, of course. The LBS MIM essays usually cover what you want to learn from the program and what challenges you might face, how you will contribute to the class community, and an optional essay if you have academic underperformance. Trust me, take these seriously. Spend weeks on them. The students who get in don't write good essays, they write distinctive essays, and that's a huge difference. Last thing, round 1 and round 2 applications, in my experience, have noticeably better chances. Round 3 onwards, the competition tightens and scholarship opportunities mostly dry up. So if LBS is your dream, plan your timeline around early application. In my opinion, LBS rewards genuine ambition, clear thinking, and leadership over brand name credentials. So if you have a real story to tell, this school is absolutely worth swinging for.